3D printing has been so amazing for making small weld jigs, especially when you put in some threaded inserts. And then I have to weld these together at 45. I got the little side legs to keep everything square if I just give it a little squeeze. And then I can tack it up. And it results in pretty consistent parts coming out. So 2 more to go and then I'm good. I ended up getting this tungsten grinder adapter on Amazon. I'm super skeptical at first. Normally I just use my angle grinder. It's actually kind of nice, and it has preset angles. To be honest, I am not a good enough welder to know the difference, but I'm sure there is one, and I'm sure somebody appreciates it. How smooth and consistent it is. It just takes some of the guesswork out. And when you are like me and you need every helping hand when it comes to welding effectively, this is great. They were one bent piece that I then just welded the seams on. You can kind of see I had bend relief, and then I just weld the seam. And it was more than strong enough. Unfortunately, the customer mismeasured one item, and I had to redesign and remake these, but no big deal. Alright, let's tack it up. The other one, bent piece, that I then just welded the seams on. You can kind of see I had bend relief and then weld the seam. Unfortunately, the customer mismeasured one item, and had to redesign and remake these, but no big deal. Let's tack it up. We're going to tap it back. Tap it back so it doesn't move too much. At the end, so not good. Just like that, we're all done.